my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on.
Some people will go out and get a 3-piece wheel. No, David got a 3-piece lip. So,
Something out of eBay.
It is.
dude, you see this little screws they have for like that part?
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Little screws.
Starting to see everything little.
That is little screws.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm being recorded. I'm gonna try to put this together, and then we're gonna put this on the car since it's already wrapped on the bumper.
It's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself.
Maybe it's just.
And the carbon fiber one. That's much cooler.
I think the carbon fiber would have meshed with the color of this. This is just too. Like, I think it's just glossy, that you don't have anything gloss black.
But, hear me out. It stems from, Sakura tree with those glossy and whatnot with the Arizona tea on the side. It looks awesome.
You would have been selling that.
And then it will match the lip.
Yeah, we can make a sakura flower, like.
They still have. Yeah, the side skirts are glossy black. That looks good. Oh, we are using the double-sided.
Yeah, you could do that. Okay, so these are the old clips, and they give you new clips. So we're gonna place all the old clips with the new ones. Kind of see a difference. This one is a little bit longer. So yeah, we're gonna put double-sided tape on the lip, and then we'll put the lip on after that. Yeah. So we're putting the double-sided tape on there to make sure it's basically weather sealed. Make sure it sticks on there, and not just use caps to keep this on there.
No, I didn't put it there. Have you put it there?
Not really. I mean, it's gonna stick over here, but I'm not even sure that needs to be. Because the thing is, it has this recession that needs to be sanded down if you wanted to. Yeah, I don't think you need to.
technology for these lifts has gotten better every time.
So we got the lip on. So this is what it looks like when you buy the pre-made, I would say, D-chrome vinyl. For the chrome, I don't think you call it pillar, but the frame. There you go, the window frame. So what I notice is that they don't give you much on bleed, which is good. It kind of gives you a sense of where to actually put it. So what you would have to do is get some either microfiber towel that's like over there, too tall, or you get wrap gloves so you don't have friction, and you would install this and then use use a squeegee to tuck these in, and make sure you clean the surface before you put this on, because you don't want any dirt in there, you know. And yeah, and then you just cut out the excess, which is not much actually. It just needs to be tucked in. Okay, so we're pretty much done. Or yeah, pretty much. Just post heating the wrap itself, tucking the corners that needs to be. New license plate holders on there, or post curing it. We got this side done now. Oh, and we took the covers off. You guys see that? You guys see that? See what was hiding under that? And then the lip is over here. Gloss black. Like that model, right? And we also have side skirts coming in next week, so whenever this gap gets closer to the tire, the side skirt is going to make a whole lot different. More aggressive look, and then the rear is going to have something too. So you guys stay tuned for that, because look at these chickens. Captain America. Well, it does look big. Did you order the right size? We're about to find out. Yeah, it is the right size.
Are we wrapping those? Bigger?
Maybe.
No? Yeah. Okay, so Tesla thing right here. We got Captain America shield that we're gonna put as a cover for the wheels. They look like what do we call? What's the wheel called? Something 52? 1552? Yeah, 1552. So okay, so these they built in vents. So basically, honestly, I don't think it vents heat. It just helps with the what you call it.
Supposedly they said it gives you 5% more range. Or
gives you or gives back? Because you took off the...
Yeah.
Okay, so it brings it back to stock.